नमस्ते दोस्तों, दिस इज सी यू मोटिवेशनल प्लस स्टडीज इज इक्वल टू अर्निंग चैनल। आज मैं आप सभी को सिखाने वाली एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग, कैसे आप एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग कर सकते हो। एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर ए टू जेड में सिखाने वाली हूँ। ये एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर सेकंड वीडियो है। एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर फर्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक दे दूंगा, वहीं पर क्लिक करके देख सकते हो आप। और इस एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के अंदर आप सभी को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, ए टू जेड आपको सीखने को मिलेगा। चलिए दोस्तों, मैं वीडियो शुरू करता हूँ। और आज का जो पार्ट है वो है टॉप 3 वेस्ट बूस्ट योर एफिलिएट कम्युनिकेशन ओवरनाइट एंड व्हिच एफिलिएट नेटवर्किंग टू लुक आउट व्हेन प्रमोशन। ठीक है दोस्तों, मैं शुरू करती हूँ वीडियो। पहले मैं आप सभी को इंट्रोडक्शन करूंगी, क्या क्या आप सभी को सीखने को मिलेगा ए टू जेड। आप एफिलिएट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर ए टू जेड सीख सकते हो मेरा वीडियो से। चलिए दोस्तों, मैं वीडियो शुरू करती हूँ। और अच्छी लगी तो एक लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर कर देना।
Top 3 ways to boost your affiliate commissions overnight. The ideal world of affiliate marketing does not require having your one website, dealing with customers, refunds, product development, and maintenance. This is one of the easiest ways of launching into an online business and earning more profits. Assuming you are already into an affiliate program, what would be the next thing you would want to do? Double, or even triple, your commissions, right? How do you do that? Here are some powerful tips on how to boost your affiliate program commissions overnight. 1. Know the best program and products to promote. Obviously, you would want to promote a program that will enable you to achieve the greatest profits in the shortest possible time. There are several factors to consider in selecting such a program. Choose the ones that have a generous commission structure, have products that fit in with your target audience, and that has a solid track record of paying their affiliate easily and on time. If you cannot seem to increase your investments, dump that program and keep looking for better ones. There are thousands of affiliate programs online, which gives you the reason to be picky. You may want to select the best to avoid losing your advertising dollars. Write free reports or short ebooks to distribute from your site. There is a great possibility that you are competing with other affiliates that are promoting the same program. If you start writing short report related to the product you are promoting, you will be able to distinguish yourself from the other affiliates. In the reports, provide some valuable information for free. If possible, add some recommendations about the products. With ebooks, you get credibility. Customers will see that in you and they will be enticed to try out what you are offering. 2. Collect and save the email addresses of those who download your free ebooks. It is a known fact that people do not make a purchase on the first solicitation. You may want to send out your message more than 6 times to make a sale. This is the simple reason why you should collect the contact information of those who downloaded your reports and ebooks. You can make follow-ups on these contacts to remind them to make a purchase from you. Get the contact information of a prospect before sending them to the vendor's website. Keep in mind that you are providing free advertisement for the product owners. You get paid only when you make a sale. If you send prospects directly to the vendors, chances are they would be lost to you forever. But when you get their names, you can always send other marketing messages to them to be able to earn an ongoing commission instead of a one-time sale only. Publish an online newsletter or e-zine. It is always best to recommend a product to someone you know than to sell to a stranger. This is the purpose behind publishing your own newsletter. This also allows you to develop a relationship based on trust with your subscribers. This strategy is a delicate balance between providing useful information with a sales pitch. If you continue to write informative editorials, you will be able to build a sense of reciprocity in your readers that may lead them to support you by buying your products. 3. Ask for higher than normal commission from merchants. If you are already successful with a particular promotion, you should try and approach the merchant and negotiate a percentage commission for your sales. If the merchant is smart, he or she will likely grant your request rather than lose a valuable asset in you. Keep in mind that you are a zero-risk investment to your merchant, so do not be shy about requesting for addition in your commissions. Just try to be reasonable about it. Write strong pay-per-click ads. PPC search engine is the most effective means of advertising online. As an affiliate, you can make a small income just by managing PPC campaigns such as Google AdWords and Overture. Then you should try and monitor them to see which ads are more effective and which ones to dispose of. Try out these strategies and see the difference it can make to your commission checks in the shortest of time. Which affiliate networks to look out for when promoting? There are many horror stories about affiliate programs and networks. People have heard them over and over again, that some are even wary of joining one. The stories they may have heard are those related to illegal programs or pyramid schemes. Basically, this kind of market does not have real, worthy product. You do not want to be associated with these schemes. It is obvious you want to be with a program that offers high-quality product that you will readily endorse. The growing number of those who have joined already and are succeeding immensely is proof enough that there are reliable and quality affiliate programs out there. Why participate in an affiliate program? It allows you to work part-time. It gives you the opportunity to build a generous residual income. And it makes you an owner of a small business. Affiliate programs have already created lots of millionaires. They are the living testimony of how hard work, continuous prospecting, motivating and training others pay off. If ever you are deciding to join one, you must take note that you are getting into something that is patterned to what you are capable of. This will be an assurance that you are capable of doing anything to come out successful. How do you choose a good affiliate program to promote? Here are some tips you may want to look over before choosing one. 1. A program that you like and have interest in. One of the best ways of knowing if that is the kind of program you wish to promote is if you are interested in purchasing the product yourself. If that is the case, chances are, there are many others who are also interested in the same program and products. 2. Look for a program that is of high quality. For instance, look for one that is associated with many experts in that particular industry. This way, you are assured that of the standard of the program you will be joining into. 3. Join in the ones that offer real and viable products. How do you know this? Do some initial research. If possible, track down some of the members and customers to give you testimonial on the credibility of the program. 4. The program that is catering to a growing target market. This will ensure you that there will be more and continuous demands for your referrals. Make inquiries. There are forums and discussions you can participate in to get good and reliable feedbacks. 5. A program with a compensation plan that pays out a residual income and a payout of 30% or more would be a great choice. There are some programs offering this kind of compensation. Look closely for one. Do not waste your time with programs that do not reward substantially for your efforts. Be aware of the minimum quotas that you must fulfill or sales target that is too hard to achieve. Some affiliate programs imposes prerequisites before you get your commission. Select one that has plenty of tools and resources that can help you grow the business in the shortest possible time. Not all affiliate programs have these capacities. Make use you decide on one with lots of helpful tools you can use. Check out if the program has a proven system that can allow you to check your networks and compensation. Also check if they have it available online for you to check anytime and anywhere. 9. The program that is offering strong incentives for members to renew their membership each time. The affiliate program that provides continuous help and upgrades for its products have the tendency to retain its members. These things can assure the growth of your networks. 10. Be aware of the things that members are not happy about in a program. Like with the ones mentioned above, you can do your checking at discussion forums. If you know someone in that same program, there is no harm asking if there are many downsides involved. Have a thorough and intensive knowledge about the affiliate program and network you will be promoting on. Knowing the kind of program you are getting yourself into will make you anticipate and prevent any future problems you may encounter. So many of
आज के लिए वीडियो यही तक ख़त्म होती है और नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके नोटिफिकेशन ऑन कर देना। और नेक्स्ट डे का जो पार्ट है सो मेनी एफिलिएट प्रोग्राम्स व्हिच कैन डू आई चूज़, ये आप सभी को नेक्स्ट डे में आप सभी को सिखाने वाली हूँ। मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके नोटिफिकेशन ऑन करना। और मेरा वीडियो अगर अच्छी लगी तो एक लाइक कमेंट एंड शेयर कर देना। चलिए दोस्तों, मैं वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म करती हूँ।